Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by long pressing an empty spot on your Pixel 6a home screen. That reveals home options immediately. Once the menu appears, tap Home Settings or the small gear icon. This opens launcher controls where the Google search bar lives. Make sure you're on the Pixel's default launcher. If you installed a third-party launcher, the steps differ. You're doing this because the search bar is a launcher widget, and removing it here tells the system not to recreate. Next, find the search bar or widget's entry in Home Settings and tap it. You'll see the Google Search widget option. Turn off Show Google App or remove the search widget. This deletes it from the home layout and stops the persistent bar. Once done, check Default Apps under System Settings. Set Home App to Pixel Launcher if it's switched. This ensures the change sticks, because the wrong default launcher can automatically restore the search bar. Finally, restart your Pixel 6a to confirm the search bar stays gone. A reboot applies launcher changes reliably. If the bar returns, go to Settings Apps Google, then Storage, and clear cache and data. This resets the Google widget's preferences. Make sure system updates are applied, because outdated software can re-enable features. If none of this works, consider a lightweight custom launcher, such as Nova, to fully control home screen widgets and prevent automatic re-edition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.